quality grill solutions, our home experts, Kathryn Emery and Chip Wade.
We are fired up to be here with you. I mean, it's June, one of the most beautiful months of the year, and happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
You know what dads love? Really cool tools. And HOTO Tools, they make some pretty awesome stuff.
You got that right. Whether you're a dad or whether it's just for anybody, HOTO Tools has the Pixel Drive Precision Screwdriver. Now, don't let the size fool you. This thing has all kinds of great features. It has 6 different torque modes. It has 2 different speed modes. It even has a 360-degree LED illuminated light for clear visibility. With 2,000 milliamp hour battery, this guy is going to last for whatever job you're working on. Now, maybe my favorite part is the case it comes in. This really nicely designed case has all 30 bits that you're going to use all the time right there with it. And for Father's Day, they're running a 25% off promotion, under 60 bucks. What a deal.
I mean, that's amazing. I love it. It's like the house of bits. I'm always losing bits. This is so perfect. You know what another great idea is? They've got this 40-piece all-in-one kit, portable, ready to go. Dad is always prepared. You know what we're going to get prepared next?
Our house. Let's go. One of the best investments you can make is having a whole home battery backup system to make sure your family never goes without power. I recently put one of these in my personal home. This is called the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X.
Absolutely, Chip, because you know what? You want to be ready for those power outages, and this system offers 12,000 watts of whole home power. So when the grid phase, your power stays on major appliances, essentials, and all those extras. I love that you can easily control your power with smart circuits. So turn power off when it's not needed and really conserve it. In extended outages, it works with existing generators for easy plug and play for endless power backup. You know what? It's an investment, but it's portable. So when you move, it can move with you. And I love that it's expandable. So as your power needs grow, it can also grow with you.
That's right. Well, now that the lights are always staying on, we don't have to worry about that. So let's get cooking.
Yay! So we're grilling, we're chilling, we're enjoying our meal outside beautifully. You know what? It doesn't really feel like summer until you've had that perfectly grilled meal.
You got that right, but you got to do it on the right type of grill to get that great flavor. Of course, you guys know Monument Grills. They're known for their super hot, even grilling surfaces. This guy right here is called the Mesa II. What I love about this the most is its size. It's just the right size to be compact enough to fit in a small backyard or even a side patio, but big enough to cook for a huge group at the same time. Now, this guy also has removable side tables, a side burner, but it has all of the pegboard on the sides to be able to organize all your grilling tools to keep them clean and up off the ground.
Once again, Monument Grills has thought of it all. You get all those bells and whistles, but I love the price point. We want to take care of her, though, right? Let's go on into the Home Depot. Let's grab ourselves Crocodile Cloths grill version. The difference with the grill version here is they're food grade safe. So you can wipe down the grates themselves and you can just cook on them then without having to rinse it down. Of course, they're going to clean everything else in the backyard, right? All the different surfaces, utensils, outdoor the grill, patio furniture, even your hands and your face. They have an always moist guarantee. They're large, they're oversized, they're super strong, and made in the USA. You know what? It's America's 250th birthday. What better way to celebrate than by high-quality, made-in-the-USA products, Crocodile Cloth grill wipes at the Home Depot, and challenge your friends to a tug-of-war because they're so darn strong.
We've got all this up for you guys and more at BeTheBestHome.com.
Enjoy.
See ya.